years, we're seeing enormous progress in this area. The next wave, beyond that, is physical AI. AI that understands the world. They understand things like inertia, friction, cause and effect. That if I roll a ball and it goes under a car, depending on the speed of the ball, it probably went to the other side of the car. But the ball did not disappear. Object permanence. You might be able to reason that if there's a table in front of you and you have to go to the other side, the best way to do it is not to go right through it. The best way is maybe go around it or underneath it. To be able to reason about these physical things is really essential to the next era of AI. We call that physical AI. And so in this particular case, you're seeing us simply prompt the AI, and it generates videos to train a self-driving car in different scenarios, and I'll show you more of that later.